Hi everyone. I'm working here on my project, so I'm gonna continue to work on the mining system. It's a little bit tricky because I forgot the entire code because it's been a while since I did the chopping system, and basically I'm just gonna recreate the mining system based on the chopping system. So that in this case I'll try to replicate as much code as I can in order to create this. So go back to the animation notification which we created. A mining hit animation notification that it will notify the blueprint that a hit has been happened, and that hit going to be on the mining success animation basically. So here we're gonna load the AO chopping success. for some reason when I do this it crashes always. See, will it crash again? So it's not allowing this to open. Hi, Zul. You see here it's again with TikTok not recommending my content because it's not original for some reason. And at the same time the Unreal Engine keep crashing when I try to check the animations. So I don't know, everything is stacking against me to work on this project and put it online for some reason. So if I open it now again, gonna crash. I don't know what to do. Yeah, it will crash. Thanks Zoe, really appreciated. Thanks for the support. I just wonder if you know, can I like contact TikTok and tell them like, dudes, why you are doing this? There is like file a complaint or something there. trying to find a way to file a complaint. So maybe if I try to create an animation, can I open this? Ah, again. So I reached dead road here with a real engine. This is a huge mistake here. I don't know what to do in order to be able to actually just work on the project. I'm gonna open another one, also gonna crash. Sorry Zol, I'm boring you to hell with just watching a real engine keep crashing. But I need to find a way. So blueprint, not animation, blueprint. Animation montage, blend space maybe. If I created an empty animation montage to skeleton AO, call it like this and open it. Oh yeah, so I cannot open any animation. It's okay, your English looks good. Sounds good, like it's a normal one. Probably need just more practice. If anybody know how I can go around it, maybe if I clean this batch, junk plantail multi-tier, don't clean. Delete the file. So this saved, I cannot delete it. There must be an error here. Background processing Y after effect is processing the background. Okay, and not After Effects not opened. Live coding console. Maybe I should shut down this. Unreal Editor, end task. Unreal. End task. Adobe. What's running in Adobe? Okay. Unreal. Okay, so clean again. Okay, now it's cleaned. There is a chance now it will work. Mamma mia. Thanks though. Let's see. Will it open it or not? What do you think? Public. It did open. Okay, so something from the window is preventing Unreal to work properly. So now now I can die in peace. So this is for the mining, and I'm gonna copy it from the chopping. So here is the chop animation sequence, this one. So chopping success, this frame that it hits it, it's here where the notification happens. So let's go to the mining, or mining success here. So the second that the animation hit, it's here. So add notification, AN. We created the mining hit. Look like it's a different type of notification. I'm not sure what the other type was, so I just need to make sure that we are okay. Animation notification. So this one, mining hit, and we have chopping hit. So basically both of them are the same type, and I guess I just duplicated it, and so the chopping hit is this. Mesh chop, target, chopping hit, mining hit, target AO, chopping hit. Okay, so I'm gonna duplicate this one, and I'm gonna call this one. This one gonna be the mining hit. So now inside mining hit we supposedly receive notification. Yeah, there it is. So send me back here to the mining success. I'm gonna delete this one. This one's wrong. notification, mining hit, there it is. This is the right one. And that's why I'm gonna save all. And I'm going to delete the mining notification. This one, the second one. Yeah, this one, force delete. Yeah, okay. The mining hit supposedly get the mesh, blah blah blah. The chop hit, so we're gonna go to the AO. Here, and the mining blueprint. Now I'm gonna create custom event. Here it's called chopping hit. I'm gonna call it mining hit. So this one gonna be mining hit. So instead it will instigate this event, it will instigate the mining event. I'll delete this one. So what I'm doing here, I'm just duplicating the chopping system that I created to make it work in the mining. Of course, later gonna be changes, but the basics for the hit and the beginning, it will stay the same. And of course, my live still not recommended to anybody, so because they suck. Okay. So now we instigated the hit on this blueprint, on this animation notification. So go back to BP, let's compare it with the chopping. Here in the chopping we started I resetted all the hits. So I have the birch hit, pine hit, and actor hit. Yeah, this one we have actor hit because the tree, when we not simulate, pi, yeah. Was the tree when we chop a tree. Now it's throw down an actor, so we have birch and pine, and we have this, which is the actor, so that's why you have an actor. But here, when I'm gonna mine a rock, it won't have an actor. It will just have a rock and copper. Basically, this is the copper and this is the rock. So because of that, I'm just gonna create two, which are rock hit and copper hit. So I have already here the mining. This is the tree list, should be inside the chopping. Yeah. Yep. I don't have any idea why I use this interface. That's the problem when you leave your code a while. Try to remember what you did. So pine birch, I'm gonna create another. Not event dispatch. Variable rock hit. inside the mining, I'm going to go and copy this one. Still called reset hit, it's okay. Go to the mine. Will it take it? Yeah, it did. Reset. I'm gonna call it mining hits. Mining hits, and this one gonna be reset chopping hits. So inside the reset mining hits, instead of these, I'm going to compile. By default, what is by default here? By default is not hit. Get and get. Oh no, set, sorry. Setting it. Set and set. Okay, so now it's first setting the hit as non-existent, because this is the default setting of the character, is not hitting. And after that you need to reset it to make it to change the parameter of it. So here we are tracing the resources, and the types are these. Okay, I need to add a new type, object type. I guess I'm limited to object type. When I started doing the chopping, I was so generous by creating different types of objects, so I need to reduce it. The trace is basically a function that traces the character, what is hitting, and and here the object list that you can identify it from outside the function, and give your result at hit and the result of what did the character actually hit. So I'll copy the whole thing by itself. I don't need these anymore, they're just confusing me. Save. Oh, this one is done. So I'll copy these. Do you program? Do you work in Unreal Zone? Do you work in game development at least? So I have to create tree to chop, rock to mine. Because of that, let's go and create a new object in the project editor preference. I forgot how you create a new project, to new object. Probably editor, no, not editor preferences, definitely not this. Project setting, yeah. So in the project setting, object. This is the object. It's inside engine collision. So you go to the engine, you go to collision. Yeah, there it is. So what I did, tree to chop, you can overlap him. I don't want to overlap because here again, the trees you can overlap on top of them. So I made it in a way that there's no collision when you go in it. So basically you can pass through the trees. And of course I made this whole texture and this whole material that makes you like push the tree on the right, on the left. So while on the other hand, the rocks, I want to keep them with a collision, so I don't want to walk through the rocks. I want to step, hit them. Also, I don't want to stand on top of them, so here I don't want this. I want to slide. Similar, I guess, to what I did here. This one, you cannot stand on it. Even if you try, it will always slide. So I should do the same thing for the rock. Okay, so that's why go to the project setting, lock to chop. I guess lock to chop, I don't stand on top of it. I can duplicate this one. It's block, okay. I have traces here also. Chop all trees, so I need to create trees to chop, and I need to create this. So lock to chop, new object, block, rock to mine. Yeah, let's do it step by step, because I'm trying to remember how I did the whole thing. So the mining hit, this one. This is for the chopping. So far, I don't need this. So remove array and rock to mine. So now, if you hit a rock to mine here, you trace it, and you come up with the result, and if it's hit or not. That's cool, I would say. Yep, let's put this one aside. I don't want to get confused with it. Same with this, yeah. In the chopping, after that, it branches. It will test if we are hitting resources with this function, which is hitting resources foliage. Hitting, yeah. This is birch, this is blah blah blah. Hitting resources actor, okay. So we're still foliage here, right? This is yeah. This is a map where you can integer and primitives. This is local variables, so if you copy it, it won't stay the same. So let's first test the hitting part before we continue the thing. So let's go on hitting. This code is so old. AO, not the chopping trees. assets, meshes, accessories. Yeah. So this is the pickaxe. So we have the pickaxe. Good. We have the skeleton and everything. So did I implemented it or not? That's the question. I implemented the pickaxe in the inventory. So I am in inventory equipment. Pick up, find a slot, pick up. Equip an item. So basically it should be in the strong hand. Here. Yeah, but I don't care about the strong hand. I need to find it. Variables. Equipment inventory. Weak hand. Equipment. Or maybe in the AC inventory. Yep. In the actor inventory. Yep. There it is. Because I need to find where is the default for the quick access. So this is the quick access. We already have those. There's one stone axe. So this one is a stone axe, so I'm gonna replace it. And this one I'll make it I hope that I have data for the pickaxe. No, I didn't do it. I need to do, maybe copper pickaxe, stone pickaxe, stone axe. Damn. I need to do this stone axe first. And nobody's watching. I made everybody escape. Cool. So. Create child blueprint. There's no pickaxe here. You sure? Epic emitter. No. Okay, so yeah. Create child blueprint. I'm gonna call it DA. Stone pickaxe. Okay. And another one. Create child blueprint. DA copper pickaxe. Okay. Do I need a child or? Nope, we don't need a child. I'll just duplicate this. Next. So let's start with the stone pickaxe. Do I have a placeholder for it? Let's see. just a placeholder for it. There's no pickaxe here. Pickaxe here. No. Just something temporary. Ah, there. There you go. Okay, great. Now I cannot do Control T. Because I have shortcuts in TikTok that prevent me to do Control T in Photoshop. Select object? No. No. Yeah. Okay. JPEG. And the second one will be this. Okay. Copper pickaxe. Copper pickaxe selected. Okay, now we have these. No, turn it off. Import it into textures. Here, move here. Okay. Ah, there is another copy here. Okay, sorry. So let's throw these here. And now this one's stone pickaxe. Let's go with pickaxe, stone pickaxe, stone pickaxe again. Stone pickaxe selected. selected. Let's see regarding the item itself. All these things just to implement the an item inside the game. So this is because it's new item, so I need to put it in and create the database for it, and to create the thumbnail and the object, how it will be in the world, and how it will be when the character holds it. So all those stuff should be basically done when creating your game here. I'm totally bummed out by TikTok not recommending my video, so I'll probably gonna, I don't know, ask GPT what I should do about it, because my friend told me that I should apply complaint, but I just like scratched the whole TikTok community guidelines and websites, and I didn't see anything that says where I can complain or anything regarding this. So I'm probably gonna get best ways to ask ChatGPT. It will give me the answer. So yeah, thank you for watching. And I didn't do much neither in this live or the one before that, because basically I'm just trying to get to be familiar with the code that I wrote, which is I forgot most of it. So in order to get back into the mood, I need to have a clear mind. So I need to fix this streaming issue first. So thank you for watching, and see you the next stream.